guys, I'm Steve again from our AGARDI team. I introduce you 6360 Ellwell Cres. This great two-door home in a very quiet residential area. Fantastic location, owned by PS 174 Elementary School and the Forest Hills High School. About 15 minutes from Manhattan. You can walk to M&R subway station 8 minutes and close to supermarket, key food, and Rego Park Mall, Costco, Century 21, TJ Maxx. Come on in, let me show you the home. In the home, and if you come in, see the living room, you have a gas burning fireplace, fantastic hardwood floor, very nice beams for decoration, living room and dining room open, and after living room, dining room, we have a great sunroom, which is legal and winterized. We have a split air conditioning system in it. Come and follow me. Let's look around. You can have a larger dining room table if you wish. And we're stepping in the sunroom. We have for winter time we have radiators heat, and also if you look at on the right side we have split air conditioning system with the heat pump, so it's winterized, and summertime we have also cooling system here, cool the room down. The sunroom, we can step out from the backyard. We can have here a barbecue area. We can have barbecue area, nice dinner or breakfast. Playground for the kids. Very quiet area, very quiet area. You can enjoy this home. Also, two-car detached garage. We can park 2 cars in the garage, and we can park another 2 cars in front of the garage for the driveway. If you wanna see this home, call for private showing, call 718-755-2882, and I'm more than happy to schedule a showing for you. Thank you.